What's going on, guys? Welcome to your IT journey. If you're watching this video, that probably means that you're either interested in getting into the IT industry or you've already made the decision to. If you've already made the decision to get in, awesome. It's going to be the best decision ever. If you're thinking about it, do it right now. This is the time to get into the industry. The industry is exploding. I'm going to give you a few reasons why this is definitely the place to be, definitely the industry to work in, and why you've just made the best choice possible. Reason number one, money, the most motivating factor to why we're doing this. Get into this industry, hit your help desk job. You can instantly start making about $50,000 to $60,000. After that, after a year or two, you can hit a sysadmin role or something similar in the mid-tier levels, hit the 80 or 90K. After that, break the 100K ceiling. You can get to 150, even 200, 300. I know people that are making it the 300 range. If you start your own company, get into consulting, then the sky is the limit. Reason number two is job security. We just witnessed COVID wipe out entire industries. People lost their jobs, lost their livelihoods, unable to pay for things that they needed. During that time, this industry absolutely exploded. Companies needed more people to support the lifestyle changes required for the workforce. Companies were going remote and they needed people to support that transition. Right now, there are hundreds, thousands of job listings. Companies need professionally skilled workers. There's a shortage of people that actually know what they're doing. This is the perfect time to study, get your certifications, learn the skills, and get into the industry. Reason number three is lifestyle. This IT lifestyle is absolutely incredible. I've been in this industry for 2 years now, and the culture, the coworkers, it's all been incredible. I'm working 100% remote right now, and I wouldn't change it for anything in the world. Your time is your own as long as you're getting your work done, finishing projects, hitting deadlines. As long as you're getting work done, management doesn't care. Not every job is 100% remote. There's the hybrid or there's the on-site. It all depends on the position that you're working, company that you're at, how they want to operate. If you get into a help desk job, there are companies that are doing 100% remote help desk, hybrid help desk, and on-site help desk. Reason number four, and I think this is a really important one. I haven't really seen too many people talk about it, but it's the opportunities for advancement. If you get into this industry, you get the help desk job, you learn what you need to learn, you do a good job, then chances are you're going to get promoted. Just by working the job and being at the environment that you're going to be at, you're going to learn what you need to learn, and management's going to see that they need you and they need you to help with more and more things, more complicated technical issues. In your environment, there's always things that need to get fixed. There's new developments happening, new technologies being introduced. Also, there's people transitioning in and out of these positions. So by you being there and learning the environment, getting to know your coworkers, getting to know the clients, the people that you're supporting, by doing all that, you're going to be in the perfect position to move up. Just by working the day-to-day things, you're going to learn the technologies that you're working, that you're troubleshooting. So management's going to see, the company's going to see that you're the person that can solve those issues. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Just really quickly, I want to sum it up. We have money, the most motivating factor to get into it. Get into this industry, make 50, 60,000, spend a year or two, hit the 80s, then eventually you'll break the 100K, 150, 200. The opportunities are limitless. The second reason was job security. We just watched COVID wipe out entire industries, but the IT industry the entire time was exploding. Companies started hiring like insane, crazy amounts. Number three was lifestyle, work remote, hybrid, or on-site. Time is yours. Management doesn't care as long as you're getting your work done and hitting your deadlines. And reason number four was the opportunities for advancement. As long as you get your foot in the door, get into that job, get into that environment, and you start working, you do a good job, you're going to learn the technologies, learn the environment, learn the things that you're troubleshooting. As long as you're doing that, you're going to be advancing. People are going to be moving in and out of positions. New technologies are going to be introduced. You're going to learn all of that stuff. You're going to be right there to move right on up. I wanted to make this video pretty quick and short. Just great reasons to be in this industry. This industry absolutely changed my life. So now I just want everyone to get into it. So thank you. This is my first video. Welcome to your IT journey. Thanks for watching.